Yo, what's up, Sor?
Yo,
Yo, what's up, guys? Raiden, dude, Cypher, nice. All you guys. Let's reshare my
you
screen.
pissed.
Oh, and T-Bone, dude, damn. All you guys, like, hot on the button, dude. That's what I like to see, dude. That's nice, dude.
Oh,
That's dope.
do you know what happened today?
What happened today, dude?
I went to the pool, right?
Okay, you went to the pool. What happened in the pool?
And then the
Pool
pool
burned down.
closed because it rained, right? And
Okay.
then it thunder, right? Me
Yeah.
and my cousins, right?
Well, you don't want to be in the pool when it's thundering or lightning, dude. That's how you die.
Yeah, yeah. So we had to get out of the pool.
Uh-huh.
It was raining really hard. Me and my cousins had no shoes on. We used to have a pair of sandals and
Well.
swimming shorts. So we had to run like 5 blocks.
Oh, shit. Where are you, Sor, right now? You're at your aunt's place?
With these.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't really get rain here in California, so it never rains.
It was raining hard.
Nice. Okay. Well, Sor's alive.
Dr.
That's good.
Gold.
What's up? Who's saying stuff? 1 second.
Guess what happened today?
What happened to you, dude?
So I asked the girl out.
Oh,
Said yes.
she said yes. Okay, good job.
Made a treat her.
I have a girlfriend now.
You have a real girlfriend now, Cypher, dude?
Yes.
Oh, damn, dude.
I don't have to lie to everybody.
Expired Cypher has made a monumentous step in his life, and he has an actual girlfriend. Wow, dude. Wow, congrats, dude. Let's give you like some applause for that.
I ain't gotta make out with my pillow anymore.
Now you don't have to keep having some waifu as your profile picture, you know, like some of you other guys
Hey.
have, you know. Nothing wrong with the
Don't
waifus.
diss. Do not diss the Teletubbies.
The Teletubbies, dude, yeah. I grew up with the Teletubbies.
Get a problem with my. Get a problem with the
Dude, no, I
waifus.
love your waifu, dude. I want your waifu to eventually be real, you know. That's eventually what we all want, you know.
Whenever I was a kid, my mom would put on Teletubbies and I would instantly start crying because I was always fucking terrified of Teletubbies.
Oh,
Now,
really?
anytime I see
Were you just
Teletubbies-
were you terrified of all of them or just like a specific one?
No, I was still terrified of fucking all of them. They're scary.
Really, dude? I
Their
love
beady little eyes, like ugh.
Yeah, they kind of look like aliens, dude. What is it? Tinky Winky, Lala. I think I like Lala. Lala was like my favorite Teletubby. I forget. Whatever the fucking yellow one was, the gold one. I wanted the gold one. The gold one was dope.
Imagine being a weirdo and knowing all the names of them.
Imagine being me then, I guess. All right, let's see. I just got back into LA this morning. I was at this wedding all weekend, and then I had to drop a friend off in San Francisco because his flight was out of San Francisco. And then I drove from San Francisco at like 9 o'clock
I've
last
been in
night.
Philly for like 2 weeks now.
Wow, yeah. So you've been
I
away
think
for a
the
bit.
end of this week, I'm gonna go to Red Lake.
To where?
Red Lake.
Oh, I don't know
I
where
don't
Red
know.
Lake is. That sounds cool though.
Yeah.
So I apologize. I haven't been able to like keep on the Discord for the last 2 days because I've been just fucking on the road like crazy. But let's start off real quick with I love this sword. Come to class where no bond coins equals no battle pass. I love that sword. Nice. Yeah, that's dope.
Wait, you cracked your back yet? That's TikTok.
What's back?
Your back, crack it.
Oh, crack the back. Yeah, dude. I always have to crack the back because I'm the carry. Yes. Okay. Let's go through the scoreboard real quick because I need to see like who had the best match this week, honestly. So let's see. T-Bone, I see you had a match with 5 kills. It looks like 97.50. Did anybody else post a better screenshot? 5 kills, not really that much.
I can
I had to
Photoshop.
I've been outside like 24/7.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm good. Well, have you been submitting to the Touches Grass thing?
That's the thing.
Yeah, dude. The touch, dude. The challenge, dude. The gym class, dude.
Check that, yeah.
Yeah. Just if you have your phone on you, Sora, while you're like running around and doing whatnot, it should record the amount of steps you have,
Hey,
dude.
don't do that.
Oh, you don't. Well, I mean, that's good for you not to always have your phone on you all the time. You know. Yeah, that's cool. What's your? Philip came to our office hours. He did he?
What?
Anybody can show up to any office hours. It's just you only get points coming for yours. The Friday one, you guys get points for
Isn't that
both.
my office hours?
No, well, yeah, today's is Team Vietnam's, but feel free to like hang around and shit for sure if you want.
Okay.
But yeah, because I need to go through the scores. So wait, did Team Homies? Did you guys play any games this last week together?
Oh, we played 2 today. We got 7th place and like 10 kills.
Oh, nice. Okay, so post that so that you have that for this week. But I need to do all the stuff for last week. I don't think anyone. Wait, I thought
Last week we were the only ones that posted anything.
Yeah, the counselors posted something too, guys. Ooh.
They did. Oh my god.
Yeah, we did, guys. Here, I'll show it to you guys.
I was super busy.
It's okay. Again, and like the Warzone match isn't like the end all be all. Like you guys get a lot more points doing other stuff, but this is just kind of like the
Yeah,
fun.
man. I've been busy too, man.
That's good. I don't want you guys to be playing Warzone all summer, but this was okay. So this right here, this I think is the best game the camp counselors did. We did this on July 5th. Yes, that must have been this time last week on the Monday. So this one was we did pretty well here. Wow, yeah, we got 6.
Why does A-Rod have no kills?
Dude, A-Rod's the support dog, dude. He's
Ooh, we got 12 kills in 7th place with 3 people.
nice. So you guys will have the top. So again, when that comes up, Philip, post that screenshot so that I know it for this coming week. This was for last week, and I think the best score I see. So, T-Bone, are you the only one that posted one for your team that last week? Did anybody else post one? Oh, nice. Okay, I know.
Yeah, I was the only one.
Okay, cool. I see.
Question.
The
Why?
other ones were posted for Rebirth.
Yeah.
Also, another question, T-Bone. Why do you have
Yeah.
hashtag blame Nick?
No blame
What?
sore.
Hashtag blame Nick.
Blame A-Rod. Wow, everyone wants to blame A-Rod now. Philip, I need to see what the median KD of that lobby was. Is there a way to
I
get
forgot.
that? Yeah. So that's why WZ
1.11.
Stats is usually better. Because do you see how they just have it like this? It's just super easy for me to just read it.
Yeah, I'm a reposter.
Yeah, repost it with that. That way I know that. Okay. But I think T-Bone's the only one that posted for their team. So you guys automatically win. So you'll get 1,000 SCP. However, I don't think you guys had a better score than the camp counselors, Team Vietnam, because you guys got 6 kills.
No, we suck.
No, you don't suck. It's all right. No,
Man,
you guys were busy. You
it's
guys were busy. That's good. No, I want you guys to be busy.
Yeah, I had a busy week.
Yeah, I want
Give
you
me a
guys to be
week
busy
or
doing
two,
other
I'll
things.
get on, okay?
All right. So
Yo,
you all.
T-Bone, you see that 1.1 KD average?
Wow.
See,
Oh.
see, we're in good
What's up?
lobby.
He said
We're
he.
in
Somebody
good
talking?
lobby.
Yeah. Philip's
Somebody
talking.
talking?
Philip's talking, dog, dude. He's talking, bro, dude. Whoa, wow. That's a high fucking lobby, Philip, dude. 1.1. Jeez. I forget that you and Patty.
Oh, it's called skill.
Yeah, you and Patty have high KDs that put you into like pretty tough lobbies, dude. Whoa, and you guys got 7th.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, cool. That's gonna be a hard one to beat, boys. It's gonna be a hard one to beat, guys. You guys, Team Vietnam, you got to get Andy back out. Isn't he the carry for you guys, Andy? Is Andy the carry? I forgot.
He's just waiting for me to get on.
In Indies are carry.
Andy's your carry.
He's waiting for me to get on. No, you
Is he?
already know.
Okay. Cool. All right. So Team Vietnam, you all get 1,000 SCP, but the people on that game, T-Bone, you and whoever, you won't get the bonus because you guys didn't beat camp counselors this week. But
Oh, so you only get the bonus if you beat them?
yeah, you got to beat the camp
Yeah.
counselors. Yeah, that's the.
I go
We
sweep.
can't give it to you guys that easy. You gotta still beat the camp counselors. Yeah.
Who's on the
Oh,
camp
okay.
counselors?
Who's on the camp counselors?
Yeah.
Is it you and Bommy Boy?
It's me, Bommy Boy. It's Al Prince. So Al Prince is the one that did the reading assignment for you guys, and then it's
And
Polska
A-Rod, right?
A-Rod, Polska Kielbasa, and he's in charge of the gym class
Oh
stuff.
yeah.
So he's Coach A-Rod. I should actually change his name to Coach A-Rod. But yeah, so the 4 of us managed to play a game. I think last Monday. That we did pretty well in, honestly. So all good. Okay, other ways you can get SCP are the weekly challenges. And let me see who did the weekly challenge. Expired Cipher. I know you submitted yours, and again, I'm sorry I haven't gotten around to grading it yet because I literally just got back into LA. But I'll go through that. I think someone else, T-Bone, you submitted this week, didn't you? I think he did. Yeah. So again, guys, check in the weekly challenges. There's little like kind of like fun little math challenges that I post every week. And if you complete them, you can get a lot of SCP and some bond coins. The first week we had quite a few people from Team Vietnam do it. Team Homies, nobody did it. it's like, come on, guys.
Hey,
so
we're busy, dude.
I know you're busy. It's okay. Yo,
We're
Pat,
high
Philip.
schoolers, we got life.
Yeah, Philip. When do you know if you guys are gonna get like math homework given to you guys over the summer, like that reading assignment you had?
No, no. Just so I'm dropping out.
He says, "I'm done, dude. I'm fucking done if that happens." Oh man. Yeah. Well, if you guys do, we can also go through that, and I can kind of make that the assignment. Math homework. Yes, Sora, dude. You have opportunities to do it, dude. It's right there, dude. It's not very hard for you to do, Sora. It's right there.
Andy.
I want to go to sleep.
You want to go to sleep? All right. Oh, Andy's in the chat. What's up, Andy? Did everyone say exclamation point here too? Please do that to mark your present, because otherwise I can't keep track of everyone who's coming in on the office hours and stuff. Good. All right. Let's see. Okay, so that's kind of the orders of business. I'm thinking this week that I want us to do. Who all here plays like Fortnite or something? Do you guys play Fortnite?
I used to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
T-Bone does.
Maybe like 3 years ago.
Okay.
Play it rarely.
Okay.
My friend told me to download it, like in beta,
Yeah.
like right before.
Oh wow,
so
dude.
I played it back then.
So you've been playing it before it was cool type thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, same here.
But I
Okay.
didn't spend money until like a year later.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, that's always
And then
the
we'll leave.
marker is like, when did I start actually like giving money to this game?
That's like my first time I ever bought like anything outside of the actual game.
I
I
just-
think I spent like over 200 on Fortnite.
Really? What do you
No,
buy?
I spent,
Just
like, over
skins?
800.
What do you buy on Fortnite?
Skins,
Out of
pickaxes, gliders, emotes.
Now, do they give you an
Everything.
advantage in the game, or they just give you like a cosmetic
Nope,
advantage?
Nope, nothing. They
Oh
don't
wow.
do anything.
Because at least in Warzone, dude, when you
Apparently,
buy
there's
some of the
this one,
loadouts, they're better. What's up?
You know, have y'all heard of the hackers in Warzone involving?
Yeah, no. I heard it's gotten really bad recently.
Yeah, like people they're joining random people's lobbies and they're getting them like all the weapon camos to level 1,000.
Yeah.
Oh, so they're just
Oh,
like
yeah.
they're like helping people?
Let me get that.
I don't
Some
know.
TikToker guy, like he was
No,
on
they
one
like
of the
copy their username and then like they generate on something and they get to level 1,000 and unlock all the weapon skins.
That's
and-
what happened to a TikToker. He got like over 3 million likes, and he has Damascus and DM Ultra.
Oh my
and
god.
everything.
Yeah.
Oh, someone spent
Crazy.
$300 on Fortnite. Jesus, wow. Yeah.
I spent like 800.
What? What? Jesus, you guys. All right, use my
I might
creator
go
code next
back.
time you want to spend fucking
Hey,
$800.
Maybe $10 on the game, and
Yeah.
the rest I've just got
I
like
can
free
check right
skins
now.
from PlayStation Plus.
Yeah, PS Plus. Yeah. Okay, so honestly, I've never played Fortnite. I heard it's a cool game, so I
No,
have it
it's not
downloaded.
anymore.
It's not anymore.
Fortnite's my game.
Fortnite's cool. Well, we might do something later at the end of this week where we're gonna do like just like a customs match or something, and we'll give out SCP and bond coins to whoever wins. So I'll talk with you guys that play Fortnite how to set that up, because again, I'm a total noob at it. I mean, I'm decent at first person shooters, so play me in Brawlhalla.
Did you get your support creator yet?
I did, and it should just be actual education. It should be so.
I'll put it on and buy something.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let me. Yeah, if you want to just test it with something, just and let me know, and I'll see if it actually goes through. Because that's something we could get into, especially, dude. If Warzone's like going to shit with all the cheaters and whatnot, I'm okay to like start switching games up to different things.
I think you can get one on there too. I don't know how though.
So Warzone, you can get a creator code, but they're really only handing them out to like really big streamers. So we're not at really big streamer level yet. We'll get there, but not exactly just yet. But okay, cool.
Oh, okay.
What's up, dude?
So, if you get me Modern Warfare,
Uh-huh.
I'll 1v1 you, bro.
Are you on PC, Cypher, dude? Which one are you on again?
I'm on PlayStation, but I use PC for like the Discord calls and shit.
Okay, nice. Okay, but you have a PlayStation. Okay, cool. Yeah,
Yeah.
I need to look into. I think we're gonna start giving away some copies like Modern Warfare and stuff, because I know you guys. That's a fun one to play 1v1s in and stuff. Let's see. Okay, so that's that. We'll also do another trivia night this week. You guys had fun playing Jackbox, right? That one time on Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll make some more
Yeah.
time for that. I have more time now that I'm not doing fucking weddings and birthdays and stuff. So, so many things. Okay, cool. All right.
I'm your favorite, so you're just gonna give me like Modern Warfare 3, right?
Of course, dude.
Like I'm like the hardest working one here.
Oh, yeah, the hardest working one, dude. Go to the leaderboard. That's how you figure out who the hardest working one is.
Yeah,
Dude.
yeah, you know who the hard
I think
one is.
T-Bone's taking that #1 spot. But expired. I gotta get you your coins for doing the. I gotta get expired his points for doing the weekly assignment. I'll grade that literally right after this. I'll do that.
Okay, expired.
Mhm.
Yeah. All right.
Hey T-Bone, if you get me Modern Warfare, I'll be going you.
I got you.
Raiden, you're still grounded, dude. Why are you still grounded, dude? Okay. All right. So, does anyone have any questions in math or science? Does anyone want to get some bond coins, asking some stuff about that? If not, I'll start going over this next week. So last week's weekly challenge involved radicals and exponents and whatnot. And so this coming week, I think we're gonna start doing. Let me see. I have it in here. It's another topic. It's the next chapter and stuff. But if any,
Isn't it like geometry?
yeah. Oh, we did T-Bone. We did geometry with you last week, didn't we? That was actually really cool. I actually really enjoyed that because I haven't taught geometry in so long. So we can do that. We could do that too if no one does. Anybody else have questions in math and science? Anyone want to learn some stuff? And actually, let me take like 10 to 20 minutes if no one has anything. I'll take 10 20 minutes to go through next week's stuff, and then if we have time, T-Bone, I'll show you some more geometry stuff. Let's see, Algebra 1, Chapter 1. Raiden, dog, you gotta chill, dude. I have to delete your messages if you start doing that. You gotta watch your language.
Expired.
I like it when you get loud with me. Yeah, okay. Just be nice to each other, Raiden. I know dude, Raiden, I know you're always like over the top, dog, but like I can't get the Twitch stream taken down because all your chats actually get posted on the Twitch stream right now. So you gotta be kind of careful what you say. In recess, I don't give a shit. You guys can do whatever you want. Okay, let's see. We did powers. We did exponents. So now roots. Yeah, we did roots. Good, we did roots. What was the next thing we need to do? Multi-step prep. Ooh, orders of operations. Okay, cool. Yeah, this was the next thing. And Sora, actually, you've done order of operations. You were like one of the first kids I like taught order of operations to. So you should remember this stuff, dude. Okay. Let's see. Let me pull in a question. Ooh, this is a good one. Here we go. Let's copy this in. Okay. Can everybody see this? Hopefully. Oh, man, I keep hitting the back button on this bitch. No. Language cipher, dude. Be nice. I'm gonna start deleting you guys. Okay. Here's an example of an algebraic expression that someone could ask you in class. You're like, hey, yo, I need you to solve this, okay? Does anyone have any clue how to do this? What's up, Reaper Doge? Expired cipher has been doing. Square what's in the parentheses. Good. Yeah, so T-Bone has a good idea here first. He's saying that, like, the first thing you need to do is square the things in the parentheses. So what we're going over here today, guys, is what's called order of operations, okay? Order of operations, or PEMDAS. Yes, dude. There you go. Nice cipher, dude. Yes, PEMDAS. Yes. Yeah. What order of operations tells you is what order to do different things here. Because you see how we have like a 16 plus, and then we have a 15 minus, then we got a 3, and then we got a plus, and then we got something. Please excuse my dope ass swag. I get a bond coin for that. No, you don't get a bond coin. You get a bond coin expired if you ask a question about something here and you want to be taught it. But okay, so yeah, order of operations is what order do we start doing the math here in this expression? Okay, and expired had the right answer here, which was like there's a little mnemonic that you guys can memorize in order to remember like what stuff was, what order to do stuff in. Okay, and the mnemonic is PEMDAS, or as expired cipher says, please excuse my damn ass. My damn ass swag, dude. My dope ass swag. Okay, all right. Oh, that's what Raiden said. Okay. I wasn't asking. Yeah. Please. Oh, is that actually what it is? Please. Okay. Is that the actual one of it, T-Bone? Okay, yeah. Actually, that sounds more familiar. I think it is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which is like, yo, what the fuck did your dear Aunt Sally do that you have to like please excuse her, you know? Did she I'm not even going to go into that actually. Okay. Yes, good, Raiden. Yeah. So this is what they stand for. Good. This one stands for parentheses. Touch me inappropriately. I hope Aunt Sally didn't. It's usually like an Uncle Rick thing. E good stands for exponents. She's a feminist. No. Okay. M stands for multiplication. Good. D stands for division. And A is going to stand for addition. S is going to stand for subtraction. Okay. And there's kind of like a grouping to this, actually. So what we do is we're going to group these two together. And then we're also going to group these two together. Okay. Which means you're going to kind of do these together, left to right. Okay, go do something, Cypher, dude. You're good. He'll be back in about 48 minutes. Well, we'll be in recess, but that's very specific, Cypher, dude. You know you're going to be back in exactly 48 minutes. Oh, this is also left to right. I really don't care. That's an old one. Yeah, 48 minutes, dude? Yeah, no one's ever said, like, I need to go do something in 48 minutes. Like, maybe 45 minutes, you know? Or, like, an hour, dude. 48 minutes? That's pretty specific. A lot of people said that. ... Okay. All right. So, as T-Bone was saying in for this problem, right? The first thing you need to do is the parentheses. So what this whole thing here, this PEMDAS does, is it tells you what math shit you need to do first and what order to do them in. Okay. So the first thing we have is, yeah, good. Well, brackets or parentheses, they're the same shit, honestly, is what they are. Brackets are the same thing as parentheses. These are also like or brackets. Brackets are just like bigger parentheses. Technically, you could just put parentheses here. It'd be the same shit. Or boxes. No, there are no boxes in math. No, you can't. No memes with that. I can't do that. Come on, guys. Oh man. Okay. All right. Because unfortunately, there's cancel culture. You can't use anything with any sort of racist stuff in it. I know. The world is dumb, but we can't do that. Okay. So, first thing we're gonna do is the parentheses, right? And you are right. There are two sets here, right? We have parentheses and stuff here, right? And then we also have parentheses here. The trick when doing this is always to look for like where's the most inner parentheses, right? The most inner parentheses are right here. So what you're going to do is the stuff inside the inner parentheses first, okay? Now, once you're within the parentheses, now what we have to decide is which one of these two things are we going to do first, because now we have a 3 plus, right? And we also have a 2 squared, okay? So once you've gotten into the parentheses, now you have to look at, okay, what do I have to do for PEMDAS for this? And this is actually how this kind of works with the bracket thing too. So if we look at all of this, right, I see that there's two things, right? There's an addition thing and there's a parentheses or bracket thing. So I look at PEMDAS and I'm like, which one's first? The parentheses or the addition? And I'm like, oh, the parentheses is. I'm like, okay, cool. All right, so now we're just going to focus on this. And now you restart the whole process and you say, okay, back to PEMDAS. I have a subtraction. I have a parentheses. Which one am I going to do first? Subtraction's down here. Parentheses is up here. So you're going to do the parentheses first. So now you're looking at stuff in here. Good. Yeah, parentheses. Good, Raiden. So now we restart again, PEMDAS again, because now we have two things, right? Now I have addition and I have exponents, okay? So again, I look at PEMDAS and I'm like, okay, which one's higher here, the exponents or the addition? It's going to be the exponent, right? Exponent's the highest one. Okay. Oh, Raiden's like, huh. Okay, yeah, what's the question? What's the question, Raiden, dude? What's the question? Here, Raiden, I'll give you a bond coin if you ask questions about things. Like if you interact. Is that enough enough of a little incentive? How do brackets work? Okay, good. Okay, there we go. Now we're getting questions. Okay, good. Yes. Okay. How do brackets work? Okay. Brackets are so psych ugly ass bitch. Okay, I guess that's slightly better. Okay, so T-Bone, brackets work the same as parentheses. They're just a cosmetic thing. Because a lot of times, like, let's say, for instance, you have, like, two sets of operations happening within parentheses. Let's say you have, like, x plus 3 squared plus, like, y minus 2 squared. But then you also need to multiply all of this by 6, right? You could technically put another parentheses here and say times 6. But this gets confusing because sometimes we kind of lose track of, like, wait, this parentheses, is connected to which one? Is it this one or this one or this one? And so you don't really want to put too many parentheses next to each other. So what we'll do sometimes is instead of a parentheses here, we'll put a bracket. And it behaves this exact same as a parentheses. It just cosmetically looks better. It's like a different skin for your fucking loadout or whatever. It's just like it looks better. How do magnets work? Well, magnets are miracles, dude. Yeah. So good question, T-Bone. Brackets, same thing. They're the same thing. It's just sometimes like you just don't want to like keep like look. We can look up like some ridiculous. Look, if I go to Google Images or something right here, let's look up like ridiculous math with parentheses. I guarantee you something's here. Or let's just say lots of parentheses. No, this isn't here. Actually, you guys want to see something cool? Here. I'll show you my thesis work. I'll show you because I had a lot of parentheses in this stuff. This is my PhD, guys, that I wrote this. This is my Okay, so let's see. I have some math in here somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, stuff when we start getting here, we're going to get to it, dude. Like this. Let's see. Let's do. Can you guys see all that? Right? See how that's it's like a huge fucking mess and whatnot. Yeah. Put T-Bone if you want. Put it in the jungle gym, and I'll put it in. So this is an example here where we see how we have multiple sets of parentheses, like let's go here. Man, it won't like just. I gotta scroll all the way down, dude. That's so dumb. Yeah. Here's an example of how, like, see how we have parentheses here because I need this times this, but then I need all of this stuff times this stuff. This is an example where, like, this is kind of like a bracket. It's a very big parentheses. But what it does is it still gives the same set of instructions for, like, how to do things math-wise. Humble brag, yeah. Anyways, okay. So that's how brackets work. Because, like, sometimes dude, you don't want to put, like, this stuff, like so many, like, this shit just gets confusing, dude. You're just like which one connects with which one and stuff. So no. Okay, good. So back to what we're doing here, right? The first thing we needed to do is the exponent. Okay, so we're gonna do the 2 squared. Now this was on your guys' challenge assignment for last week was exponents, and this is why in math everything kind of builds on each other, right? Is that you need to know how to do exponents here before you can start doing, again, order of operations. So does anyone know what 2 squared is? Let's see. 4. Good. Nice. Yeah, 2 squared is 4. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to rewrite what we have so far, but with that step done. So we have 16 plus this 5 minus parentheses 3, and instead of writing 2 squared here, we're gonna write 4. Okay. Okay. Yeah, 2. It's 2 times 2 is technically what it is. This is one of these cases where, like, 2 plus 2 does equal 4, and 2 times 2 also equals 4, so it can be confusing. But yeah, they're the same. Yeah, be nice to each other. Yeah. Cypher, be nice to him, dude. He you know, you just got a girlfriend, dude, right, Cypher? You gotta learn to be nice, dude. That's how you get your girlfriend to do things for you, dude. You gotta be nice. April Fools. No, dude, we're way past April. Okay. So again, now we're down to this expression, okay? And now we have to do more of the order operations. So now that we've done this, we're still looking at stuff in the parentheses, and now we do the next thing, which inside the parentheses, right, all there is addition. So, and there's nothing else it needs to compete with, so we're just going to do the addition. So we're going to do the 3 plus 4, right, which is going to equal 7. So now I have 16 plus 5 minus parentheses 7, okay? Now, a parentheses just around a number, you can just get rid of this. We don't need these anymore. So we can just leave this how this is, okay? So now we're at the next part of our order of operations, right? So again, we start looking at, like, what do we have to do? So again, I have addition and I have parentheses. Parentheses is higher up on the list, so I'm going to do parentheses first. Inside the parentheses, all I have is subtraction. So all I have to do is subtract. So we just have 5 minus 7. Does anyone know what 5 minus 7 is? -2. Very good, guys. Good. So good. This is now -2. So now we have 16 plus bracket -2, okay? But what can we do with this bracket? What can we do with the bracket, guys? Do math with it? Yeah, okay. But what was I saying? When you have, like, a bracket or a parentheses just around a number, what can you do? So it turns out you can, so if you have parentheses or brackets just around a number, you can just drop kick that parentheses to the curb, dude. You don't need it anymore. Like, just leave it on the streets, dude. We don't need this. So we can just get rid of this, okay? Now we're just left with 16 plus -2, right? What is 16 plus -2? Good. Good, T-Bone. Yeah, 16 plus -2 is 14. Good. Because whenever we have a plus and a minus next to each other, so you see where we have 16 plus -2, this can always be rewritten as just a minus sign. You can just rewrite this as a single 16 minus 2, which is just going to be 14. I don't think his mother could be 14, Cypher, dude. That wouldn't make any sense, you know. Okay, cool. So that's how you do this one. That's an example of doing order of operations. Let's see. We could do simplifying expressions. Okay. Let me think. Associative property. Yeah, I never like how this is taught, honestly. Okay, but this is a good one. Okay. All right, let's go over a little bit of simplifying expressions, okay? Because this is useful stuff that you guys need to know. Connor Ward, dude, what are you confused with, dude? Connor Ward, what are you confused with? If you're confused with what they're talking about, like, don't worry. No. T-Bone, don't say that. T-Bone. Take that off. Hold on, guys. Y'all need Jesus. Yeah. Okay. Let's go over real quick what the commutative property is. Does anybody know what the commutative property is? No? Okay, cool. Let me see if I'm spelling this right, actually. Sorry. Oh, commutative. Oh, it's not commutative. It's commutative. This is me like thinking this is like communion or something. Okay. It's close. So that's the associative property. The commutative property has to do with moving numbers around in order, okay? So let's say, for instance, you had 3 plus 2, right? This can also be written as 2 plus 3, okay? So the commutative property says that whenever you have numbers where the same operation is happening to them, so like say for instance they're all adding to each other or they're all multiplying by each other, you can switch the order of them in any order that you want. Another example of this would be like, let's say we had 4 times 6 times 8. You could also write this as 6 times 4 times 8. See how we can just move them all around and whatnot. That's what the commutative property means. The commutative property means that you can rearrange the order of this stuff in any way that you want. Okay. I think what you were thinking about is the associative property. The associative property has to do with exponents. Okay. So what the associative property says is that, let's say, for instance, we had like 3 plus 6 plus 8. You can put parentheses anywhere around numbers that are all doing the same thing. So you could also write this as 3 plus parentheses 6 plus 8. So you could do this one first and then add 3 to it. Associative. Okay, thank you, Graydon. You are, yeah, the associative. Associative. Good. Yeah, good for paying attention there. Let's see. Another example is you can do this also with multiplication, okay? So if we have like 4 times 7 times 8 times 16, right? You could write this as 4 times 7 times 8 times 16, parentheses. Where, like, for instance, you would do this one first, right? This is going to end up being 128, right? And then this would end up being 28. And then you do 28 times 128, and then you get an answer. Okay, good. All right. So, the reason why we learn this, guys, the commutative property and associative property, is because we have to be able to do another thing, which is called the distributive property. Okay. So the reason why the distributive property is useful is because it helps you do, like, what we say mental math, so kind of math in your head, with shit that has like parentheses and whatnot. An example of this would be, let's say, for instance, we had 15 times 103. Okay. Another way you could write 103, right, is I could write this as 15 times. I could write 103 as 100 plus 3, right? Do you see how these two things are the same? Well, yeah, no, he can't say that either, dude. What? Wait, you can't say that, dude. God damn it. All right, guys. Expired cipher. You gotta be nice. Be nice. Don't say that either. Come on, guys. Yeah, family tree is a bloodline, dude. No. No. There we go. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, mods. Thank you, mods, for being mods. No. Don't say that either. Good. There you go, Connor. You figured that out. Okay. So, what the distributive property? So, right. So, I could have written 103 as 100 plus 3, which means by order of operations, right, I would have to do 100 plus 3 first and then multiply by 15. But this is difficult to do, 15 times 103. An easier thing here would be to do what is called to distribute this multiplying, this 15. So instead of being 15 times 100 plus 3, we're going to write this as 15 times 100. So we're going to do this one. Plus 15 times 3. And this is a lot easier to work with, okay? Yes, please. Yeah. Good job, T-Bone. Yeah, guys, don't keep the profanity to like a minimum, please. Like don't start dropping F-bombs like crazy. You can do them every once in a while. But yeah, PG-13, there you go. Yeah. I think honestly, yeah, what are the restrictions actually? Let's see. How many times can you say the word fuck in a PG-13? How many times can you say fuck in PG-13? Oh, interesting. Okay, you guys want to know this? Yeah. So yeah. You're only allowed to use the F word once if it's PG-13. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, guys. So the reason why we do this is it's a lot easier to do 15 times 100. Yeah, sex is fine in PG-13 stuff, but yeah. Connor, what are you confused with? Let's see. Maybe I can. Okay. Distribution. Good. Yes, good. Good distribution, right. Raiden, what's 15 times 100? What is 15 times 100? Expired is like, it's kind of okay, but like let's keep it like more on topic for office hours. You guys can do this in whatever other chat you guys want to. Like if you guys want to just keep yelling at each other about things. Good. Yes, very good. Very good. T-Bone is best mod. Yeah, good. Thank you. Yeah. It's yeah, good. It's not 15,000. It's going to be 15 with 2 zeros on it. So that's what these 2 zeros here. That makes it 1,500. And then yeah, well, yeah. So just look at how many zeros here. See, yeah, whenever you multiply something by zeros, the amount of zeros here gets put on this number. So since there were 2 zeros and 100, now it becomes 15 with 2 zeros. This 15 times 3, right, is just going to be 45. So the answer is then going to be 1545. Yeah, 1,500. Yeah, good. Yeah. Okay. So here, let's have an example of this. 1,500. You have questions? Oh, but all your guys' names is T-Bone is best mod, so now I don't know which one is which. T-Bone, are you changing their names all to T-Bone is best mod? Don't do that. Yeah, but now I don't. I guess I know which one is Kana. Let's see. Here's another one. Okay. Let's say we have 6 times 19. Okay. This is kind of a confusing one to do in your head, whatnot. Another way you could write 19, right, is we could write 19 as being 20 minus 1. Okay. And then we still have the 6 outside here, right? So this is another case where we're going to distribute, right? So we're going to do 6 times 20. And then we're going to go 6 times minus 1. Okay. So 6 times 20 is going to be 120. The way you can do this is 6 times 2 is just 12, and then there's another 0. So you have 12 and 1 0. And then we have 6 times 1. So now we're going to have, it's just 6. So now you have minus 6 times 1, which is 6. And now this is a lot easier to do, right? Because this is just going to be 114. So that's an example of why you need to know how to distribute stuff. Okay, what's another thing here? We've done combining like terms. Okay, but this is useful though. Okay, all right. So now let's say let's say we have something like this: 3 times x plus 4 minus 6x. Okay, and we want to simplify this. All right. The first thing we can do is we can distribute this 3 between these two things, right? And the way to do that is we're going to do 3 times x plus 3 times 4. So this is going to end up being 3 times x, which is just 3x, plus 3 times 4, which is just 12. And then we're going to subtract 6x, so minus 6x. All right. Now, the next step here, right, is what we call combining like terms, which I think we've gone over before. Combining like terms is finding things that have the same level of x or the same numbers and whatnot, and we're going to combine them. So, for instance, 3x and minus 6x, both these things have x's on them. So these are what we call like terms. So 3x's minus 6x's is going to be negative 3x. And then we still have the plus 12 here. And so this would be the final answer is what it is. Okay. It's okay, expired. All right. Let's see. Okay. Good, nice. This will be almost all of it for chapter 1. Okay, cool. I'll put this assignment up next time. Yes, Raiden, what's up, dude? What if you do -3 to -6? What do you mean by, like, if you do -3 to -6? Oh, combining terms. Okay. So are you saying, like, for instance, if I just had literally, let's say I had, like, -3x plus 2 minus 6x? Are you saying if I had something like this, Raiden? Okay, cool. So, yeah. So this is -3x and -6x. So what you have is you can combine these by, and again, this is an associative property thing, guys, right? See how we can change the ordering of these things, like, everywhere. So I can say -3x minus 6x plus 2, okay? So I'm combining a -3 and a -6. Do you guys know what -3 minus 6 is? Good. Yeah, -9. Right. So this combines down to just becoming -9x plus 2. That's how that works. Yeah, good. It's not 12. Yeah, it's -9. Yeah, where were you getting the 12 from? T-Bone. T-Bone said 12. No, don't say that. Cypher. 13, dude. You kids, dude. Oh, fuck. I keep hitting that. Damn it. Yeah, welcome to kids. Welcome to boys between the ages of, like, 13 and fucking 30. What's your other question, dude? Yeah, puberty. Welcome to puberty. Yeah. I remember that. Raiden, what's your question, dude? No. T-Bone, don't say that. Yeah, mod yourself, dude. You flip one of the signs. Okay, maybe you had this. Maybe you had this. Maybe you had -3x minus, let's say, for instance, -6x. Did you have this, for instance? It's very complicated. Okay, well, I'm here to show you that, like, any time you have a negative and another negative right next to each other. So, for instance, if you do -3 minus -4, for example, you can turn both of these into just a single plus, right? So this is just -3 plus 4, which would end up just being the same thing as 4 minus 3, which is just 1. You did the slope thing. Okay, what was the slope thing? Oh, okay. All right, yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, no, this has to do with. So if 2 plus 2 equals 5, 2 plus 2 does not equal 5. Yeah. Okay, Raiden. So what this has to do with is let's say you have like 2 points. Let's say you have a point 3, comma 4, right? And a point let's say like 7, comma 8, right? We could plot this, right? This is 3. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This is 3, comma 4. Then we have 7, comma 8, so 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like right here, right? This is 7, comma 8. And Raiden, you could draw a line between these 2 points, right? You could do some shit like this. You could draw a line, right? This line, this line has a slope to it. A slope is just what it sounds like. A slope is just like how steep or how shallow something is. Okay? So there's an equation for slope, right? Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Okay? Where these are the different points. So, for instance, this could be x1, y1, and this could be x2, y2. What this number down here just means, it means like which point are you looking at? Are you looking at the first point or the second point, right? So, doing y2 minus y1, right? y2 is going to be the 8 here, right? Because it's the y point of the second one, minus y1, which is 4. All over x2. So x2 is the second point's x, which is just 7, minus the first point's x, x1, which is just 3. So now you get a fraction, right, for the slope. And this is just going to be 4 over 4, right, which just is equal to 1. So, Raiden, what does slope mean? What does slope mean? Sometimes you have negatives. Yeah, you can have negatives. Yeah. Yeah. I just said it earlier, right? Slope refers to what with this line? Does it what is it kind of steepness? Good. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it tells you how steep something is, right? Yeah. Slope is an indicator of steepness. So it tells you, for instance, how quickly something is either going up or down between 2 different points. An example that we could have done this, right? We could have measured, but there's another form. Oh, that's the only form for slope that I really know. I don't know if there's another form. We could have graphed, for instance, as a function of time. We could say the number of messages, the number of dumb messages in the Discord, right? No, let's just do because there weren't very dumb messages to start with. So let's have this let's have the speed time. You know, yeah, that's it's definitely gonna be around 1,000, dude. Let's say this is like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Let's move this over one more. $60. Okay. Let's say at 5, and let's say this is in minutes. Okay. So let's say at 5 minutes, there was only, 10 dumb messages. Okay. And let's say at 55 minutes, okay, which is almost a little bit past now, right? There was 1,000 dumb messages, okay? We could plot that, right? 5 minutes, 10 dumb messages. 55 minutes, let's have that like way over here. And let's have that be 1,000. Okay? You can now make a line between these 2 points, right? Such that you could figure out how many dumb messages there are if office hours went even longer. right? Like if office hours went out to like 80 minutes, right? We could figure out how many dumb messages there were. And the way to do that is to figure out, first you got to figure out what the slope is between these 2 points. So this is a point, 10 comma 5, right? Or sorry, 5 comma 10. And this is a point, 55 comma 1,000. So how do I find the slope between these 2 points? So let's remember the formula, right? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Slope is the same as rate. Mycicle, really it is. Good. Yes. So again, let's make this 0.2, right? Let's make this 0.1, right? So we're going to do the y from this one minus the y from this one, right? So that's going to be 1,000 minus 10 all over the x from this one over the x minus x from this one, which is 55 minus 5. So this is going to end up being 990 divided by 50, okay? Which is, what is that? That's like, it's like 19.8, I think, is what that is. Yeah, 19.8. Yeah. This is cool, though, because, yeah, and this is something that Michael brought up. Yeah. This slope here, 19.8, this is the same thing as the number of additional dumb messages for every additional 1 minute. So this is a cool thing about slope. Slope is equal to, when we have a slope where it's a number, like for instance, it's like something, it's that many additional y things for every increase in one additional x thing. So it's additional y for one increase in x. So that's what the steepness kind of means. So, for instance, here in our graph here, y, right, was the number of dumb messages you guys are saying to each other about like how, I don't know, I can't even keep up honestly with what you guys are saying to each other. I know. Well, Raiden, you were being attacked. It's okay. So the slope tells me how many more dumb messages would happen for every increase in 1 minute, is where that comes from. That's what the slope is. We'll go over that. That's a cool topic, Raiden. You know, here you go, Raiden. You know, you get a fucking point, dude, for bringing up slope. All right. Yeah, nice, Raiden. Yeah. Okay. That's the end of office hours for today. Hope you guys got something out of it. There's going to be a weekly challenge assignment I'm going to put up today. That's it's stop attacking Raiden. He did nothing wrong. Can I get two? Did you ask a question, T-Bone? I think you kind of did. Did you? You at least interacted a little bit with the parentheses, so I'll give you one. Yeah. And also give you. I think that's you, right? Yeah. Be nice to Raiden. Anyways, okay. So we're gonna put it aside. There's gonna be a weekly assignment that goes up where you can earn more SCP for this. We're also gonna announce we're gonna do trivia again this week, and we're gonna do some new games like Fortnite. So now, what we're gonna do, if you guys want, I'll play some Warzone with you guys before I gotta go teach again. So if you guys want to meet in the recess chat, I'll be there, and I'll be playing some Warzone with whoever wants to play. Team Vietnam, you guys gotta get some better scores already, because Team Homies is up there, dude. All right, let's see. What's up?
Yeah, I was driving, right? I was making a left turn.
Yeah.
And then I kind of pulled up too far, so I kind of went like a little bit backward, and this bitch just honked at me.
What? Well, she just wanted to make sure you didn't hit her, right?
I expect.
You know, sometimes people like are backing up, especially in like in LA, you know, and whatnot, and they like